All right, I got a quick little one for you today. This is a 1990 Jeep Wrangler YJ. This one happens to be a 2.5 stick, but I believe this will be the same for any of them. So I went to get in it a couple days ago, and the starter would only turn over for half a second to 2 seconds, not enough to get it to start. So starter relay's bad. I actually just replaced the ignition switch a few months back, had a different problem. But anyway, we got the relay right here. I just want to show you what is holding it on and where it's at. So I didn't see anything online that showed me. So here's your battery on the passenger side. If you come down just below where the heater hoses go in, see if I can get you down here. The sun is all in me here, but there you go. You can see the gold box right there in the middle of the screen. So it is being held on by two 10mm bolts. See if I can get closer. So that's it. It's held on by two 10mm nuts. Pull those off. You got 4 power wires connected where the battery post connects. The solenoid connects on this middle post, and then you got 2 more wires here. I believe it's ignition and ground. Ignition this side, ground on this side. But the only difference is the new one, instead of having a push on post like the original here, it's got a little wire clamp. So you just cut your push on off, strip it back, clamp it on, or crimp you a little loop end on there or something. Either way, I just cut mine and clamped it in there. But anyway, quick and easy. Took me, you know, probably 15 minutes to swap it. Most of that was cleaning gunk out of the way, and I went with a standard. The local parts store wanted $59 for this. I got it on Amazon for, I believe, $16. It came in a day. So yeah, anyway, she is starting up like a champ now. So that was definitely my problem. Cranking perfect. I started it 20 times in a row just to make sure, but anyway, that's it. Pretty simple thing, but I couldn't find anywhere online that showed me where it was located. And with all the gunk on mine, I had a hell of a time seeing it. I basically just had to follow the wires to it. But that's it.